In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Furman AC-215A. We're going to be unboxing it, and I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this power conditioner at the end of the video. This is the Furman AC power conditioner, model AC-215A. It's got two sockets on the back, power on off switch, indicator lights, reset. It even has an ability to lock the cable in place. That's pretty cool. Other power conditioners on the market, their competition, they actually step up and step down the voltage by a percentage based on how much drop or how much spike in voltage is actually coming from the grid. So there was nothing I could find within my testing that confirmed that was happening. So I'm basically using this as a power strip with surge protection, because that's where I think this unit really does shine, is that this is going to shut off if a very large spike in voltage comes through the line. So I have a UPS unit down in the basement that I have both a refrigerator and a freezer connected to. And I don't really care that this power conditioner steps up or steps down the voltage, because within the UPS I already have automatic voltage regulation. So I just want to have an extra layer of surge protection in case something happens where a big surge comes through the grid into the UPS. I will have that power conditioner in between the UPS unit and the grid. So it's kind of like an extra tier of protection.